So this is going to be an interesting review. So a while ago I bought the Sony MDR XB950BT extra bass Bluetooth headphones. So they're just Bluetooth headphones from Sony, but they're, you know, that's a specific model number. And I used them, and it had like a metal band, and I was like, oh my god, metal band, finally, you know, it's like legit sturdy. And I listened to them, and I was like, this sounds good, because before I had the Skull Candy headphones, I had on the ear, over the ear, I had Crushers, and going to these, finally having my own Bluetooth headphones, I was like, this is pretty good. And because I was a little wary of going to Bluetooth finally, you know, having to charge them, so I made sure that this one had like a little aux port, so in case like battery died or whatever, you can listen to music directly like that. And then there's this bass boost button, so like do that extra bass boost, since I had, you know, the Skull Candy Crusher headphones with the actual battery pack in it and everything. And it was okay, but then there was this one day where I just got like really upset and like started punching my bed and like the pillows on my bed, and I wasn't even like moving that much, and the headphones flew off and they cracked right here where there is no metal bar, because metal bar goes like all the way right here and then stops, and then it goes plastic and wire. So yeah, it like actually snapped because it connects and then swivels, and then I unscrewed it. So yeah, so they're pretty decent headphones, and the price was actually pretty good, because, you know, they're having newer models coming out for a number of different headphones. So I got these for a decent price off of Amazon, and so I want to say that I would recommend these. You just gotta be kind of careful. Don't lose your temper. Don't exercise with them either. But they're cool. They're cool. They sound great. Sturdy on the top. They got a metal bar on the top, and they're super cushiony, super comfortable, and all that stuff. But one thing I really liked about the Sony Bluetooth headphones was the little interface, you know, the buttons on both sides of the headphones. So one side had a volume up and volume down button, and it felt great, you know, pressing it. And then there was a skip track and then a play pause button. But you just press the button to play and pause, or to answer a call, or you just flick it like a little spring to go back or forward on the track. So I loved that. Like, it was super good when just messing with the headphones instead of reaching into your pocket to like press pause, go to the next song, pick up a phone call, whatever. Then on the other side of the headphone, there's the mic, the input for the aux, the input for the plug, you know, to charge it, bass boost button, and then the power button. So all that stuff is good, separate from the actual play, pause, volumes, and all that stuff. These actually still work. I can actually still listen to things on it, but yeah, it's just not very comfortable anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say, since I didn't really use them for too long, but I did use them long enough to actually experience the good stuff about it. So ups and downs, I guess. I guess I recommend buying it, and I will leave a link in the description to an Amazon listing, and if you use my link, I will get a small cut of it, but it won't cost you guys anything extra. It'll just help keep my website and my YouTube channels running. And if you like this video or appreciated me doing it, you can give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment too, you know, if you have any thoughts on this. Again, I think it sounds great going from regular Skull Candy Crusher headphones to Bluetooth and everything, but yeah, I kind of abused a little bit too much. And subscribe to my channel for more gaming, tech, PC, all that sort of stuff, related things, vlogs, gameplay, commentary, strategy guides, bunch of different things. See you guys later.